Looking to manage call waiting on your iPhone? It's easy to do. Whether you'd like to enable or disable the feature, you can easily turn call waiting on or off. Here's a simple guide on how to adjust this setting to fit your needs. Method 1. Turn on call waiting. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Phone. Tap Call Waiting. Toggle on call waiting. Your call waiting feature is now enabled. You can right here as well to turn it off. Method 2. Using carrier-specific codes if applicable. Some carriers allow you to control call waiting through dialer codes. Open the phone app and tap the dialer keypad. To enable call waiting, dial *43# and press the call button. To disable call waiting, dial #43# and press the call button. You should receive a confirmation message about the status of call waiting. Here is how you can easily turn the call waiting feature on and off on your iPhone. It's a simple process that can help you manage your incoming calls more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.